first chase, but I don't look back. Concrete walls hold my name, written in the rhythm of my steps.
Yeah, mic check, still hot from last night's blaze. They roll my obituary in yesterday's haze, but I'm breathing fire where they drew the maze. Every note just fuels my yes and neon phrase. No handouts, built this strong from Subway. Grind my flows up, play cuts, clean to borrow time. You flex, fake gold while I'm in real prime. This ain't a dream, it's a takeover. I'm a line.
They said I'd fade before the dawn. Watch me turn it down to dawn.
I rise above the noise, my fight burns through their voice. This city's pulse is beating loud in my veins. I stand proud. Check the scoreboard, my name at the peak. While you're stuck in loops, weak and meek. I speak in voltage, move inside me beats. Turn pain to power, streets to relief. No GPS, I run my own lane. Your limits are walls, my heart just frames. I don't chase trends, I set the flame. And every echo carries my claim.
They said I'd fade before the dawn.
Now the whole skyline sings my song. I rise above the noise, my fire burns through their voice. This city's pulse is beating loud in my veins. Lost and proud.
One breath before the storm breaks. One step
Before the ground shakes, all the nights I walk alone. Now the world echoes my tone. I rise above the noise, my fire burns through the voice. This city's pulse is beating loud in my veins. Lost and found. Yeah, I own this ground. Watch me now. Rise above the noise, my fire burns through their voice. This city's pulse is beating loud in my veins. Lost and found.
I own this crowd.
Watch me now.